Radhika and welcome to the channel. I felt really corny doing that, but I've wanted to do this in the entire flight over. We are in Thailand. We're in Bangkok. This is crazy. We've checked into the Marriott because we're fancy like that. And now we're gonna go get something to eat, drink, whatever. If you want to see the travel vlog, go check out the shorts. And if you're here from the shorts, hi. I love that you are here. Hello.
Hello.
Bread. Hi gang, I am ready. We are going out and I'm wearing my birthday dress. I'm loving Bangkok till now. It feels very international, feels very fun, feels very exciting. And we have seen so many white people. There were only white people on our flight. So we're kind of worried as to where all of the Indians have gone, but it's fine. We'll find them eventually. Look, I did my hair also. I cut my hair and I was supposed to make a video, but I forgot. Look at how short it is. Like, how much did I grow it and now how short it is. But I'm kind of embracing it. I told all my friends that 21 is the year for short hair. 22, 23 is long hair. It's just thing I'm doing for myself. I'll tell you where we're going tonight. I think we're going to like some fun clubbing places, and then we're gonna come home and crash and go to sleep and then not wake up before 3 tomorrow. There are a lot of cute massage parlors around our hotel. We're in Sukhumvit, Soi 20 if I'm not wrong, in Marriott, and I love it. The locality is 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I look like this because I'm about to go for a shower and no other reason. Okay, please. We had breakfast at 1 o'clock because that's the time we woke up, because we came back last night at 4. Had a crazy night. I made a friend. Do you guys want to meet my friend? I will make you meet my friend regardless of whether you want to meet him or not. Say hello to Chandu. I don't know where I found him, but I found him and now I'm keeping him. But it was a crazy night. Very much recreated, I think, The Hangover. Except no one got a tattoo, thankfully, and we don't have a tiger in our room, but hey, close enough. I'm gonna go shower, get ready, and then we're going to... I cannot pronounce any place's name here because I'm gonna butcher it. It's called Chadungchuk. Chadungchuk. I don't know what it's called. Anytime I say I'm not going to shop, please call me out on my lie because I'm the only one who has shopped. I needed none of this. Look at this. Can't you give? What was supposed to be a day where we were supposed to be on a cruise currently, I got a migraine and I'm pretty toasted, so we ordered room service. And I've heard about Dough Bros a lot, so I ordered donuts from them. I'm so dizzy that I couldn't walk down, but I'm very sad because I really wanted to go see the Grand Palace. We booked like a boat cruise for Wat Pho and Wat Arun. Very bad timing for this migraine. And I got a massage last night. How am I this much pain should be illegal? So hello vlog. But yeah, we're at Ada, which is Buna Mati's store in Bangkok, and I got out of bed finally after having an awful migraine the entire morning and missing my cruise that I wanted to go see the old city in. And I'm very upset because I don't like wasting days on vacation and I feel a lot of FOMO, but it's fine. Seize the day, carpe diem. C'est la vie. So much English I have said in one go. That's not even English, but okay. We are going out. First we're gonna do पेट पूजा, फिर काम दूजा. You know the drill.
Cold dinner, dabba laane ki bula leti. But made with pandan. These, you know, pandan. Sticky rice person, but this. ठीक है.
Alone to go to Terminal 21 because I wanted to walk and they didn't want to. We have shut down the store. The store is about to shut because we have bought this much stuff. Look at our stuff. Look at all of our stuff. I will give you a haul. You don't worry about that. But what's the plan? Should we go to 7-Eleven?
No. We are going.
The amount of times I have run from one 7-Eleven back to the hotel is unreal. This should be illegal behavior. Mothers are putting on makeup and I am dressed and we are going to Soy 11 for a drink and dinner. My makeup has stayed on all day and I bought the super matte powder. You'll see everything that I bought in my shorts. I made a whole haul video, but I'm amazed as to the kind of makeup that I've found. I went crazy. मैंने पहली बार ही ऐसे makeup दुकान में step in किया कि मेरे को समझ नहीं आई मेरे को क्या लेना है. This happened to me for the first time, but it was insane and I loved it. I spent an hour and a half in that store. Imagine कितना होगा सामान वहाँ पर.
ऑटो मिल रहा है. But मोटी. मुझे खीरा भी नहीं खाना दीजिए.
Good morning. I'm all ready. We woke up super early today. 10:30 are super early. And I've gotten ready. Rash is downstairs getting her hair done. Mama's gone to her. And I'm also just leaving all ready for the day. And then we're gonna go to Platinum Mall, which is Mama and Rash's most awaited thing to do. Yeah, my hair I'm starting to like, even though it's short.
Night.
I'm drinking coffee alone in a cafe in Bangkok. I'm really overcoming my fears. And I'm vlogging in public. What has happened? Who is this person? Absolutely exhausted. I have never had to walk this much for anything. I found a cute bag and then I had to like travel to the ends of the earth to be able to find it again. So once you like something, just pick it up for future me. Do not wander around the mall 3 times trying to look for it. And then I got lost in the middle. I got lost and I wanted to go to my mommy and I couldn't find my mommy. I'm so tired. 7 घंटे उस मॉल में बिता के 6 घंटे इतनी हालत ख़राब है कि हम फुट मसाज कराने जा रहे हैं. I can't walk. Like I just want to get a foot massage. I just had an incredible massage. I'm so tired. Out last night and Blinkit and Zomato are too expensive, so I am acting as the Blinkit and Zomato and making a very random early morning run. Money. We are stuck in traffic. I suggested we should walk, but no one else wanted to walk. And now we are going to MBK because shopping से दिल नहीं भरता हमारा. हमें और करनी है. And very funny, but I was seeing like the love god of Thailand all over my For You page on YouTube and on Instagram. And then I think नहीं जाएंगे बहुत दूर है होटल से. And the mall that we ended up at, they were right there. I think this is a sign. Today is not a good shopping day. I am exhausted. I walked through really cute like square. Though Mom and Rash took a bike and I was like, I don't get onto bikes, so I walked. And it was insane and it was incredible. I love walking in new places. Like I'm a traveler who loves to walk. And yeah, now we're at MBK. Nothing special. It's like a huge mall. A lot like Platinum, but a little less Janpat and a little bit more select. So it's a mix of Select City and Janpat in Delhi. I'm going to get some boba because I was not in the mood to shop anymore. I was really upset because I wanted this one thing and I haven't found it in 3 different locations. So now I'm just convinced it's not meant to be mine. We have obsessions and they are cutlery. ना सामान है कि 10 बजे से उठे हुए हैं, 3 बजे तक हमसे फिगर आउट कर रहे थे कि सामान डालना कहाँ है और हम घर जा रहे हैं. Every time I get onto a flight, I realize that sometimes I just want to sell all of my stuff and travel for a living. But then Mama reminds me that that also requires money. To allow me to complete that dream one day, if you enjoyed this video, then please like it and subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever. Just have good time, man.